Revolving light urgent requirement, Saudi Arabia revolving light. We are hiring for short-term and long-term positions in Saudi Arabia. Bulk hiring with online interviews available. Available positions: QA, QC and inspection. Engineer QA, QC. Welding Inspector QA and QC. Supervisory Roles: Supervisor BTT, Supervisor Static, Supervisor Rigging, Supervisor Piping, Supervisor Welding. Foreman Roles: Foreman BTT, Foreman Static, Foreman Rigging, Foreman Piping, Foreman Welding. Technicians and Fitters: Technician BTT, Mechanical Fitter, Pipe Fitter, Re-tubing Technician, Engineering and Project Management, Trainee Engineer, Permit Receiver, Project Leader Med, Project Engineer, Senior Project Planning Engineer, Assistant Project Engineer, Welders and Fabricators, Welder, Multi-Fabricator, Riggers and Safety, Rigger, 2, Rigger, 3, Safety Supervisor, Safety Officer. Support Roles: Standby Man, Firewatch, Permit Receiver. Electrical Roles: Electrician. Key Information: Location, Saudi Arabia. Type: Short-term and long-term roles. Hiring: Bulk hiring with online interviews. Perks and benefits: Competitive salary packages, accommodation, food, and transportation provided. Medical insurance included. How to apply: Email your updated CV to sheikh.sultan@sayedstaffing.com. Calendar limited openings. Apply now to secure your spot.